Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the 1 hour chart here, we are looking of course for a contracting diagonal toward the upside, where we have an A, B and a C for your wave 1 and an A, B and a C for your wave 2. Inside this contracting diagonal, you would like to see another zigzag for your wave 3. Your perfect fib level for wave 3 are the 886 and the 0.786, where we have already reached the first one for wave A, but of course we have reached it in only one single impulse toward the upside, which is your wave A for that A, B and a C. So it is very obvious we were expecting a wave B as a correction for this zigzag and then start to move toward the upside. Now, as you can see, after this impulse, we start to figure it out that, okay, we are moving in overlapping waves here, which is a very corrective. So I would suggest here an A, a B, and a C toward the downside as a first scenario for this correction, or as W, X, and a Y as a second option for this correction. Now, in case, what is the difference, of course? The difference with WXY is that you have finished already your correction here. So I'm going to label this as W, X, and Y already finished and ready to move for higher prices, which it was our scenario played, of course, since a few days ago. And then you are looking probably here to a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside, where you would like to invalidate the second bearish scenario, which is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave C. This is your second option, where you have A, B, and a C rather than W, X, Y finishing here. Your ABC is gonna finish lower, of course, with this blue box. In this case, of course, you would like to see an impulse toward the downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, if your wave 4 get invalidated by hitting the 246, interfering with your wave 1 as an impulse, meaning higher possibility goes for this scenario as WXY finished wave B, of course, over there and moving for higher prices. Don't forget that your wave 4 can be a zigzag or an expanding flat, but in this case is a regular flat because your wave B is deep but did not took the low, meaning A, B, and C, and still possible, of course, to hit this 1-to-1 fib level as A, B, and C, and then moving for higher with this scenario exactly here. So basically, would be a nice signal is to take the 246. As you can see, if we zoom in here, we did not take it yet. We see a 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 interfering with your wave 1, meaning of course it can be a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 1, and then again wave 2, and then continuation toward the upside. A good signal for continuation for higher prices would be, of course, hitting the 0.38 as minimum target, or of course the perfect target at 0.618 or 0.786. Meaning you would like to see a wave 2 here and then moving for higher prices, or even better would be, of course, the minimum requirement after double 1, 2. It is much more preferably the 0.38 to not lose momentum, of course, and moving for higher prices for a second impulse in a wave C. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.